Namaste. Today I'll be talking about the philosophy of love. Love has been explained, love has been defined, love has been used in poems. Poets have defined love in their own way. Every human being have fallen in love. And exactly what love is? What is love? So that we will see today. First of all, I would like to say that there is in philosophy a term Aham Brahmasmi. That means I am the Brahman. What does it mean? That means I am the ultimate supreme God. That means that God is not anywhere outside you, it is inside you. So that is known, most of the people know about it. Similarly, if you say that person is loving me, this person is loving me, or I am loving somebody else, that's not the truth. The truth is that love is in yourself, love is in myself. I have the feeling of love, not you. You have the feeling of love, not me. So I love myself, you love yourself. If I say that I love you more than me, that is false. Because no one in this universe can love others than they love themselves. The most important thing here is to know the fact that people can only love themselves more than anyone else in the world. If you take a mother and a child, we know that mother loves a child. More than saying that a mother loves a child, we can say the mother cares for the child. Because every human being has love within themselves. It's not that they are showing love towards the other. They love being in love. It's not that they love the other person. It is just the fact that they love being in love. So if anyone says that I love you, just remember that they cannot love you more than they love themselves. And if you know the fact and if you know the truth that every human being love comes first for their own self, then the other person, then all the problems in this world will be solved. Because we will not have any expectations from others that people have to love us. This person has to love us. Why don't they love me? Why don't this person be loving towards me? So this will stop. Once we know the fact that nobody can love others, then they love themselves. So love is intrinsic in nature. It comes from within yourself. It doesn't come from outside. If you are really a very, very loving kind of a person, if you have that kind of a love inside you, then it is possible for you to see everything in the world through the eyes of love. But if you don't have, then you will find a lot of mistakes in others. So if people say that I love you, it doesn't mean that they love you. It is just the fact that they love themselves. And maybe it may not be a love also, because divine love is a love in which people love every single thing in this world. They cannot hate anything in the world. They cannot hate anybody, any animal, any plant, or any material things also in this world, because their love is divine, which is inside them and which is not anywhere outside. So all the discussions about being in love, this person loving me, love, fighting for love, all this is not a good thing, because you have to know the fact that being in love is being in love with yourself.